Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing really good. Today is Friday and today is a very special day as we all know. Usually on Fridays we make something special and today my Ammo is making really special dishes for us. Our favorite dishes for us and I'm so super excited to eat it. First of all, she is making the base like always how she cooks in most of her recipes. If you will follow us, then you must know she cooks mostly like this only. So she's cooking the mutton in here, and I guess I don't need to tell how she's cooking it because like you guys already know. Then here we have a very big like cooking utensil here, and in here we are going to cook our favorite food that we always have and we love it, that is khichdi. It is our all-time favorite and we can have it, I especially can have it like every day I want. Then she is giving all the spices, the masalas and everything that is needed, and so much as you can see, like so much salt and so much thing, because this is cooked in a big container. We are going to share this with our friends and many different people, so she's cooking a lot. Here she put the water, covered, and voila, when we open it we see our almost perfect dish, which is not cooked yet, but we are going to put our mutton in there so that it becomes more tasty and more yummy. Cover it again and then we are going to see our masterpiece. Just look at how delicious it looks. That's all for this video. I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Masalama.